Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to find the apps wishlist on your Play Store. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So open the Play Store and you can easily add your any apps on the wish list. So you can click on the three dots and add to the wish list. This is like a watch later on YouTube. You click on your profile, go to the library option here. You can see the library option here, and here you can see the wish list on the first. Here you can see the apps that you prefer to as a wish list, which means YouTube watch later, like watch later you can install whenever you want. If some apps will be like a GB, you can remove from the wish list from here. You want to click one by one and you want to remove it. You can't remove as selecting all the apps. So the previous version of the Play Store has that options, but now you want to remove one by one, and it only shows on the list and it's not shows like a grid. So you just can add, and you can go to your profile and click on the profile, and you can go to the library wish list. So by this you can find the wish list on your Play Store.
Friends, if you find this video useful, then click on the subscribe button below, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want to know more about the Play Store tips and tricks, then follow this channel and we will meet our next video with your valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.